White label NFT marketplace, what is it and how to build one? The non-fungible token (NFT) industry is booming magically, and as per reports, it'll continue to do so. According to a report by a renowned market research firm, the NFT market size was $4.36 billion in 2021, which will grow at a commendable CAGR of 23.9% during 2022 to 2028, reaching almost $19.57 billion by the end of the forecast period. This is something really exciting and worth investing for the blockchain enthusiasts around the world. If you too are looking forward to building your own NFT marketplace just like OpenSea, Rarible, WazirX, etc., we'll tell you about White Label NFT Marketplace and how to build one. What is White Label NFT Marketplace? To put in simple words, a white label NFT marketplace is a virtual trading platform for creators, collectors, and traders who want to monetize artwork and other collectibles by turning them into non-fungible tokens and trading the same. This solution is perfect for NFT lovers who want to make an immediate entrance in the NFT world. The white label marketplaces are pre-built, customizable, and loaded with sophisticated features at the same time. But why should one invest in creating a white label NFT marketplace? The answer is simple. Building your own NFT marketplace not only creates brand identity but also plays a major role in boosting your brand awareness. Most importantly, it can make you millions or even more, as you can monetize your NFT platform by charging commission fees whenever an NFT is created, sold, or bought on the platform, charging listing fees from creators listing their collection, marketing fees from users who wish to advertise on the platform, and earning by conducting auctions on the NFT marketplace. Now let's talk about the easiest way to build a white label NFT marketplace, and that is by partnering with a reliable NFT marketplace development company. This is where BlockTech Brew can serve you the best. We have a ready-to-go, highly customizable and feature-loaded white label NFT marketplace solution just like OpenSea and Rarible. Check out this live demo of our white label NFT marketplace development solution, OpenSea Clone, to explore the features and working of our platform. Let's connect and build something for the future.